Okay, what's up guys, Jonasegway. Look, today's video, we're gonna talk about the Insta360 AcePro 2 X3 Pro. This camera right here, this is how it looks inside of the actual body. You see I got a little rig thing going on. Let me let you guys hear what it actually sounds like from the AcePro 2. And this is how you can expect it to sound while using such a rig. Now, some people may want to know, like, okay, what microphone is that? Let's talk about that. That is LoomCube's video mic. Now, LoomCube don't actually sell this mic anymore, but they do have a video mic microphone that you can buy in some sort of like a kit, like a vlogger kit. But I've had this microphone for quite a while, and so that's kind of what you guys are hearing right now. This Explorer grip is actually pretty good. I will have some videos following this one to kind of give you guys a little bit more information. I just didn't want this video to be a little bit too long. So there's going to be videos coming up on how long does the battery actually last. Okay, that video I did take my oldest battery just to give you guys the worst case scenario, or the most worst case scenario when it comes to battery life with this camera inside of the Explorer Pro kit. But in this video, you guys are going to see what comes in the box, how everything look. I'm going to give you guys some good close-up B-roll, and I'm just going to go around the camera full 360 mode so you guys can see exactly what's in here. There's a lot of things with this camera that's interchangeable, but let me let you guys look at the unboxing and then we'll talk about it after. All right, so what do you guys think? Is this something that you're gonna get? I give this Explorer Pro out of 5. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. That's gonna be my rating. Why? Because the USB-C port should allow. They should have given us the opportunity to have USB-C microphones. Okay, I should be able to plug my DJI receiver for my mic mini, my mic 2, my mic 3, or whatever. Insta360's very own mic Air. I should be able to plug the receiver directly into that USB-C port to get the best audio quality. Now, the Insta360 mic Air does sound really good with the AcePro too. So if you guys are wondering, without, you know, outside of this Explorer kit and having shotgun microphones, if you guys want to know how does the mic Air sound with the AcePro 2, it sounds great wirelessly. That's not what you're hearing right now. You're still hearing the Loom Cube mic video micro shotgun microphone. Is a little bit smaller than Rode's video mic. Okay, via 3.5 millimeter jack right into the top. There's a couple things that I've purchased to put this all together. But anyways, really good kit. I'm gonna give it a solid 3 out of 5 because the USB-C port is basically only for charging. And the SD card slot, Insta360, you guys put an actual battery inside of this Explorer Pro kit. Why couldn't we have an SD card slot that's active? So I can put a 1 terabyte in there, and then I can go into settings on the AcePro 2 and say, hey, you know what? I want to use the SD card from the Explorer kit first, and then once it fills up, we'll move over to the SD card that I have inside the AcePro 2 itself. I feel like you guys should have given us that option. You didn't advertise that's what you were doing, so I can't really fault you for it, but this is just going to be the Jonasegway rating. Okay, you had a lot of opportunities with that USB-C function, and you didn't deliver on that, man. And I'm still waiting on my cold shoe mount for the AcePro 2, the battery door cold shoe mount. Come on, guys. You know, you guys just made this whole Explorer 2 Pro kit with Leica, and I still can't get a simple cold shoe mount battery door for the camera for those guys who are moto vlogging. Okay, or people who's just regular vlogging and they don't want to buy the whole Explorer kit. They can buy a cold shoe mount that replaces the battery door. It still has its waterproof properties, and they can put a flashlight on there, you know, or a USB-C mic. You guys didn't know the AcePro 2 does accept USB-C microphones when it's just the camera by itself outside of this Explorer Pro kit. So you guys go on ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you want to see more videos on this Explorer kit, because they're coming. I got 2 more videos that I know for sure I'm going to put out with this whole situation here. I am waiting on a printer so I can give you guys some more details on that printer. So thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description below. I have my other channel, Jonasegway Tutorials. Eventually, at some point, I'm going to start uploading videos on that channel, some how-to stuff. Show you guys how to use the camera with the Explorer 2 kit. You know what I mean? There's a lot of good features in here. The quality is very good. As you can imagine, Insta360 built this Explorer 2 kit, but Leica approved the use of putting their name and their little stamp on it. And with that, Leica added a whole bunch of color profiles, or have given Insta360 a bunch of their color profiles for us to really, really enjoy this AcePro 2 even further. So yeah, go on ahead, get in there, hit that like, subscribe, and check out those links in the description below. If you guys are wanting to order this Explorer kit, I do have an affiliate link for the accessories. Make sure that when you do click on a link, if you're going to go that way, it won't cost anything extra to you. It's just going to give me a little bit of commission, but it ain't going to cost you extra. Make sure you guys go on ahead and stay on that link. If you open the link to order something, whether it's the camera, whether it's accessories, it's a bundle, stay on that link and then finish processing your order on that link, and then, you know, I get a little bit of credit for it. I'm trying to get this channel worked up so I can start getting some free camera gear, so, you know, I could give you guys some nitty gritty and stop spending all this money on these cameras, because I can get nothing for it, which, so you know, video sponsored by me. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, because you're gonna subscribe, right? All right, man, appreciate you. Peace.